Did you hear about the crypto whale who just pocketed 21 million bucks? What a story. But that's not all, folks. Today, we're talking big moves for Ethereum and Solana looking to dominate 2025. Let me break it down for you, straight from the streets of crypto. First up, Ethereum is not sitting still. We're looking at some serious upgrades coming down the pipeline in 2026 with what they're calling the Glamsterdam and Hegota forks. Glamsterdam, expected in late 2025 or early 2026, is all about making things smoother. Think Verkle Trees. That's like a super efficient filing system that makes the whole network run smoother and faster. And then there's account abstraction, which basically means your crypto wallet is going to be as easy to use as your regular bank app. No more complicated stuff, just simple, user-friendly crypto. After that, late in 2026, we got Hegota, which aims to beef up L1 scaling through sharding. Now, sharding, that's like splitting the big blockchain into smaller, faster lanes so it can handle way more traffic at once. It's all about speed and efficiency, getting Ethereum ready for the big leagues. Next, let's talk about Solana. The buzz for 2025 is huge, with folks on Wall Street and even, get this, Donald Trump potentially taking notice. Solana's already known for its lightning-fast speeds and super low transaction costs, making it a real contender. The talk is that we could see a Solana ETF by 2025. An ETF, for those who don't know, is an investment fund you can buy and sell on a regular stock exchange, making it super easy for big money to get into crypto without actually holding the coins themselves. Companies like BlackRock are already sniffing around, and if Trump decides to jump into the NFT game or even launch a token, Solana could be his platform of choice. This ain't just hype, it's about mainstream adoption and traditional finance finally paying attention, and finally, the big one everyone's talking about, a Christmas Ethereum surprise, one of those big crypto whales, right? A whale, for those new to the game, is someone holding a huge amount of crypto, enough to really move the market when they make a move. This particular whale bought 22,000 Ethereum way back in 2017 when it was just 16 bucks a coin. Recently, they sold 10,000 of those ETH for 2,100 bucks each, pocketing almost $21 million in profit, and they still got 12,000 ETH left, worth another 25 million. Now, seeing a whale make moves like this, it gets people talking about market signals. But let me just say this up front. This is not financial advice. Always do your own homework, capiche? So there you have it. Ethereum's future looking bright with major upgrades. Solana poised for a massive 2025 with institutional and even political interest, and big money still being made by the crypto whales. It's a wild ride, and things are always moving fast in this space. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.